Let's play Winter Wonderland. Now let's check out the playing pattern for this song. The playing pattern for a full bar is gonna be a both left, both right, right. To split it up, our right hand is right, 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 right. Steady beat. For our left hand, it's gonna be a 5-3-1 and hold. To combine them together, it's gonna be a both left, both right, right. Both left, both right, right. Let's play verse 1. Slowly, ready, C chord, sleigh bells ring. Are you C chord? Listening. In the G chord, lane. Snow is G chord, glistening. Half about G, beautiful. Half about F, sight. Well, half about E minor, happy too. Half about D minor, night. Half about C, walking in a. Half about G, winter wonder. One about C, land. Now let's play smoothly. Ready? 1, 2, and we sleigh bells ring. C chord. Are you listening? Down to G. In the lane. Still on G. Snow is glistening. Half about G, a beautiful sight. Half about F, half about E minor, half about D minor, half about C, half about G, and C. Hey there, loving this tutorial? Then you've got to check out my Christmas song ebook. It's packed with 32 holiday tunes, complete with chords, chord charts, song lyrics, and playing patterns to make your life easy. Download instantly so you can bring it to your parties, jam with your friends, or just add some Christmas vibes to your home. Grab your copy now in the description link below. Now let's play verse 2. Slowly, ready, C chord, go. Gonna wing is the C chord. Bluebird. Here to G chord, stay is a G chord. New bird. He half about G, sings a love. Half about F, song. S half about E minor, go we go a. Half about D minor, long. Half about C, walking in a. Half about G, winter wonder. One about C, land. Now let's play it smoothly. Part verse 2. Ready and we go. Gonna C chord is still bluebird. Down to G, here to stay. Still on G is a new bird. Half about G coming up, he sings. Half about F, song. Half about E minor, half about D minor, half about C, half about G, and C. Now let's play verse 3 slowly and E chord go. In the middle, half about A, we can build a. One about E, snowman. Half about E, then pretend that half about A, he is present. One about E, brown. Half about G, he'll say are you. Half about C, married will say. One about G, no man. But half about G, you can do the. Half about D, job when you are in. One about G, town. Now let's play verse 3 smoothly. Ready and we go. Half about E, half about A, a snowman. Same thing, half about E, half about A is past and brown. Now half about G, he'll say half about C, and G. No man. Half about G, but you can do about D when you're back to G. Let's play last verse. Slowly, C chord and we go. Later on, we chord, one C chord, fire. As we G chord, dream. By the G chord again, fire. To half about G, face on a. Half about F, frame. The half about E minor, plans that way. Half about D minor, May. Half about C, walking in a. Half about G, winter wonder. One about C, land. Let's play last verse smoothly. 1, 2, and we go. Later on, still C, conspire. Down to G, as we dream. G again, by the fire. Half about G, to face and about F. Half about E minor, and D minor. Half about C, half about G, back to C. Now we're gonna play the full song now, okay? Ready? 1, 2, 1, 2, back and go. Sleigh bells ring and C again. Are you listening? Down to G. In the lane, G again. Snow is glistening. Half a bar coming up. G. A beautiful sight. E minor. We'll have to D minor. To C. Walk to G. In the winter back to the land. Verse 2. And on C. Away. Still on C. Is the bluebird. And G. Here to stay. And G is the new bird. Half a bar coming up. G sings a down to F. E minor as we go. D minor. C. Walking in the winter wonderland. Part 3. E. Half a bar. Half a bar A. We can build a snowman. Exactly the same. Half a bar B. Then pretend the A is passed around. Change to G. Half a bar. You say are you married? To G. G D G. Half a bar G. Half a bar G. When you're in G. Last verse. C chord. Still C. We conspire. And G. As we dream. Still on G. By the fire. Half bar coming up. Let's go. To G. Down to F. E minor. D minor. And C. Walking and G. In the winter wonderland. And on C. Hey there, thanks for watching and I hope you find this video helpful. I've got more piano techniques, music theory and tutorials coming your way, so stay tuned. If you think this channel is helping you reignite your passion for piano playing, do like and subscribe and I will see you in the next video.